Hello and welcome back to our newsletter. Today we wanted to give you an update of what's going on in the past few weeks. First of all, thank you if you have been watching our videos. They will be posted in YouTube for you to access whenever you want. These last weeks we were working really hard on our strategic planning, and we had a meeting with our post-harvest faculty. We have people coming from across the state as well as from outside the state, as we are building this network of new people working in post-harvest and also getting input from our emeriti as well as current faculty in the area of post-harvest. Some takeaways from our meeting is that we have been focusing on, first of all, broaden our network, as I mentioned before. Second, we're interested in having more research activities that will fuel all our teaching offerings as well as our extension materials. Third, we're really interested in revamping our communications through our digital platforms, especially through YouTube and LinkedIn. And so please, if you haven't done so, transfer to our professional or company page for the LinkedIn network. And then other important, super important parts of our center is the workshops that a lot of you have been asking us. Irwin will give you more details about what we're doing next. And lastly, our bookstore and what we're doing new in terms of publications. So that is all about our strategic planning, just a big overview of it. But in this newsletter, we have different sections that you will explore. The next section after this update is the featuring of a post-harvest person in our network. It could be a faculty, it could be a staff, or it could be an industry partner that will be collaborating or have been collaborating with us throughout our tenure. So with that, I'll let Irwin to give you more updates for this period.
So talking more specifically about our workshops, we will be offering a completely new workshop through our center titled Ag Water Systems, Identifying, Preventing, and Managing Food Safety Risks. This is a really interesting workshop that will be led by Trevor Soslow, which is an expert in food safety. Also, we would like you to take advantage of the 60% discount. For example, now through our bookstore, we have the third edition of this to-go or gold standard in post-harvest information titled Post-Harvest Technology of Horticultural Crops, which was published through the University of California Ag and Natural Resources. The next iteration of this publication will come out soon. Now I have here one example. It is cooling and storage, where I'm actually an author. So this is a new concept that we're exploring, where instead of having one publication, we have multiple chapters in more topic-specific chapters. In addition to that, we would like you to look at our new section in our newsletter titled Debunking Misinformation. In this specific section, we are addressing a topic where the post-harvest community has been misinformed, and we offer more current and valid information in the topic. So thank you very much for being part of our center, and we are looking forward in continuing to interact with you.
Yeah, please keep us updated if you have any feedback or if you want to give us comments about this new style of newsletter. You can always email us or you can visit our website for new resources. Take care.